Spend my heart on empty rooms, trying to love, trying to prove that I was enough in someone's eyes, while losing myself in quiet goodbyes. I chased reflections, borrowed light, forgot my name in every fight, till I looked in the mirror one last time and saw a soul I'd left behind. They say love grows when it's shared, but first it blooms when it's repaired. So love yourself before the world, before your heart is tightly curled. You can't pour from an empty soul, you can't make broken pieces whole. In boiling water we all change, but how we do it's not the same. Life turns up the heat sometimes, tests your faith, bends your spine. Some go soft like a potato in the flame, some turn cold, hard eggs of pain. But I don't wanna lose my shape or build a shell I can't escape. I wanna rise, to rearrange, to be the reason the water changed. So love yourself before the world, before your heart is tightly curled. You can't pour from an empty soul, you can't make broken pieces whole. In boiling water we all change, but how we do it's not the same. I won't be soft, I won't be stone, I won't survive this heat alone. I'll be the coffee, dark and strong, turning the bitter into song. Fire won't define my name, I'll redefine the flame. Love yourself, let it begin. That's how real love's breaking in. When you're whole, when you're free, you can love them honestly. In boiling water, hearts can break or rise and change the world they're in. So if the heat is all you see, become the change, become the heat in